Imagine creating reports directly in Jira without layout restrictions, quickly and without needing a specialist. Whiteboard Reports is designed to give users complete freedom to design reports and insights exactly as they need, at any size, in any format. This is the Whiteboard Reports main screen. Here you can see all your previously created whiteboards, and you also have the option to create a new one from scratch. The toolbar, located at the bottom center of the screen, gives you access to everything you need to build your whiteboard: reports, sticky notes, text boxes, and quick filters. It's designed to be intuitive and always within reach. Let's start by adding reports relevant to our case. For this demo, we're going to present two different use cases for whiteboard reports. We'll start with a development whiteboard and then a lead case to track performance metrics and task progress. This report displays a list of all development epics currently active. It helps the team monitor high-level progress and ensure that major project goals are on track. This time series graph tracks the delivery dates of epics in the Echo project, grouped by issue type and displayed quarterly. It provides a clear view of how key deliverables are progressing over time. This Gantt chart visualizes the timeline of epics in the Echo project, with start and delivery dates plotted monthly. It helps the team track project schedules, understand dependencies, and ensure timely delivery of key milestones. Additionally, the chart offers 3 color coding options to enhance clarity: Auto, which assigns different colors to each row for easy distinction; Single, which applies a solid, unified color across the entire chart for simplicity; and Status, which aligns colors with the status category for quick status identification. This pie chart provides a breakdown of tasks, stories, and bugs within the Echo software project. It's designed to give a quick snapshot of task distribution, helping the team monitor progress and focus on key areas. Now, let's add another time series chart. This one will focus on tracking resolved issues within the Echo software project, grouped by issue type and displayed monthly. It provides an overview of how different issue types are being resolved over time, helping the team measure productivity and identify trends. Issue counts are perfect for displaying quick metrics. Here, we've configured counts for total tasks, resolved issues, high priority items, and tasks assigned to the team. We're going to add text boxes representing each reporting section. The more information we add to contextualize our whiteboard, the better. Quick filters are powerful tools that enable dynamic adjustments to the results displayed in each report. They allow you to easily refine data, offering a practical way to highlight specific subsets of information. With whiteboard reports, quick filters are highly flexible. You can configure them for different criteria, map them to specific reports, and position them anywhere on your whiteboard for easy access. Now let's jump into the second case. It was very easy and practical to create a presentation for IT teams. But what about the commercial one? We're going to be adding charts to create a whiteboard focused on leads. This bar chart will display the distribution of related products in the lead project, organized in descending order. It provides insights into which products are most commonly associated with our leads. Next, we'll add a bar chart to visualize the services of interest for leads in the lead project. This chart helps identify which services are capturing the most attention. This time series will help us track time between sectors in the lead project, grouped by sector and displayed monthly. It provides a clear view of how leads are progressing over time. This pie chart will display the distribution of leads across different sectors in the lead project, giving us a clear understanding of which areas are generating the most activity. Finally, we'll add an issue list to display all leads in the lead project, sorted by opportunity value. This list offers a detailed view of key fields like status, assignee, and associated products, helping the team focus on high-priority opportunities. These pie chart will display the distribution of leads across different sectors in the lead project, giving us a clear understanding of which areas are generating the most activity. All elements on the whiteboard are fully adjustable. Let's resize and reposition the reports to organize the space better. This level of interactivity allows teams to focus on what's most relevant at any given moment. Quick filters make your whiteboard even more adaptable to your needs, whether you're prioritizing tasks or analyzing specific team metrics. Sticky notes are a quick way to add reminders, and text boxes help provide additional context to your reports. In this case, we can see using our quick filters that 52% of every lead is from the private sector. Still, public sector is about 66% of conversion in our whiteboard. With just a few steps, we've created 2 comprehensive whiteboards that combines flexibility, practicality, and clarity. Whiteboard Reports adapts to your needs, whether you're tracking leads and conversions, checking active requests, or visualizing development progress. And while you enjoy this flexibility, your data remains secure. Whiteboard Reports does not store any user data. All information stays within your Jira instance, hosted securely on Atlassian's infrastructure. You can install Whiteboard Reports from the Atlassian Marketplace and enjoy a 30-day free trial. Start creating your custom reports today and experience the freedom to design reports your way.